Virtually all of the herbaceous perennials will die back completely to below ground level each year, and their re-emergence in spring is eagerly awaited. This doesn't always happen at the same time though, so you'll see things like these early flowering dicentras, which are usually at their best in mid-April. They're one of the first things to pop up. But then you've got the other later flowering perennials like the Japanese anemones, thalictrums, and these often don't even make an appearance. We're now into early May and some of them are yet to appear above ground level. Now, this early to bed, early to rise routine doesn't always follow, and you will find that some perennials will only just appear just at the point that they're about to flower, the polygonatum for example. These three geraniums here that I've picked out really show this clearly. So for example, this one here, this is Roseanne and this is a later flowering geranium and it's only just starting to appear, whereas this geranium phaeum is in full bloom already. So it's always good to have a combination though of early, mid and late flowering perennials, and that means you're going to get a succession of colour. So while you may find it frustrating and you all want it to happen immediately in spring, sometimes you just do need to be a little bit patient and they're worth waiting for.